Hi guys, and welcome to Crafty Kids. I'm Tessa, one of the teachers at the Jackson Hole Children's Museum. And this week we get to do a science experiment that involves art, and it is called Magic Milk. So the materials that you'll need is dish soap, a small bowl, a shallow dishpan, some food coloring, cotton swabs, and milk. And I chose whole milk just because it reacts with the soap better for the chemical reaction and makes more patterns with your milk. So to start, we are going to pour in a thin layer of milk in our dishpan. It doesn't have to be a lot. Then we're gonna pour some soap into our small bowl. And then this is the fun part where you get to put food coloring all around your milk bowl. And you wanna put it in different spots. So I'm gonna do a few drops all over the pan. And I like to use different colors too. As you'll see in this experiment, the more colors you have, it more kind of looks like a firework that's exploding. So I'm just gonna drop some more. And you can make them close to each other, but if you want to keep them separated to begin with, to see what happens when we combine our soap with milk. And this is a chemistry experiment. So the reason why milk and soap make these cool patterns that you see soon is that milk is filled with all these minerals and vitamins and proteins and fat, and the dish soap, when it's combined with the milk, it kind of chases the fat and proteins around. So that's what you see with the food coloring expanding in just a minute. I'm gonna put a little bit more. All right, I think that's good for now. So our next step is to take a clean cotton swab, and you're just gonna dip it in the liquid dish soap. You can kind of predict or make a hypothesis of what's gonna happen. Then the important part here is to dip your cotton swab in. Don't swirl it around. You wanna hold it in one spot. So I'm gonna dip it in and hold it for about 10 seconds. And it's starting to make some swirling patterns. Take it out, and then when you dip it in again, you can dip it in with another spot if you guys can see it. Woo. Try not to shake it around too much. And then you can just keep on putting in your dish soap and the milk, and you can see this is what's happening is, like I said before, all the molecules in here are reacting to each other, and it makes this really, really cool pattern. So you can keep on dipping in your soap and cotton swab and make all the patterns you can. And this is a fun experiment. It's really easy to do, and once you're done making all the swirling patterns, once it stops, that means all the soap has attached to the fat molecules and the protein molecules, but you get to do it again. So thanks for watching this week's Crafty Kids, and I'd love to see some pictures of what you guys create.